Hi friends, I'm Barbelo Diosdorico, also known as Maker Mania, and today we're here again to talk about the workbench with the table saw stand. Today we're going to make the drawers. With that said, right away, also because in this video I'll be talking very little. Intro. the very first drawer is now completely ready, and the second drawer is also entirely done too. The third drawer and also the drop-down panel. As I mentioned before, to cover the entire table saw, in case of need, there are just 2 magnets. I'd say that's sorted, but here I haven't put anything yet because I still need to decide whether to put the planer here. We have significantly more available space. Perhaps I can create an opening or something similar, and it is precisely the same situation right here. I had bought 2 slides to make a big drawer, but it truly transforms into a truly substantial storage drawer, owing to its impressive measurement of 45 centimeters generously deep. You could make 2 drawers. Or an opening like this, 2 doors, something different. But I think I'll make 2 drawers. So I'll stop here. I've already talked too much. The video has become really long. I've cut it as much as possible, even if it won't be nice to watch. Just to keep you company, thank you for following me. Please make sure to subscribe. For new makers, it's important to have subscribers, then you don't even have to watch us. But if you click the little bell, it's even better. Bye, Bitty.